Hey guys, welcome back. Let's talk about the lesson for today. The objective of this lesson is to translate equations into sentences. Alright, so let's start with the first example. So it says translate the equation into a verbal sentence. So 12 minus 2x equals negative 5. So it's pretty much the way you would read it. So let me just rewrite it. Let me put some space between the numbers and the operations. So, okay. Now I'm going to translate part by part. So the first one, 12. So 12, let me just write the number in words or as a word. Minus, so 12 minus, then we have 2x, so that means 2 times x. You can also say product, so that's just gotta think of different ways that you could say times, but times is the easiest one. And then equals. Alright, that was easy. And then negative 5, so you don't want to say minus 5, this is negative 5. So 12 minus 2 times x equals negative 5. And that's it. That was not super hard to translate this into a sentence. Alright, so let's look at example B. So it says translate the equation into a verbal sentence once again, and my equation is right there. So I'm going to do just like I did for the previous one. I'm going to separate those terms with some space in between them, and also the operations of the plus sign, the equal sign, and then c over 6. And then I'm going to translate each one as I move from left to right. So let's start with the first part, a to the second. So I can say a squared. You can also say a to the second power, but a squared is better. And then plus, that's super easy. And then 3b, so that means 3 times b. Or you can say the product of 3 and b equals c over 6, so that means c divided by 6. Or you can also say the quotient of c and 6. So there's, like I said, there are different ways to say different operations. But once we say c divided by 6, that's all we have to do here. So I already translated my equation into a sentence, and that's all. So we're done with this example. Alright, so now it's your turn to go to Notes 2.1 example 4. It's going to open the Google form. It's 2 problems, so you have the equation and you just got to choose the correct translation. And once you're done, that's it. As always, if you have any questions, please let me know and I'll be able to help you.